Look at this, look at this. No trees around. Oh my god. Come on, before it rains. Look how beautiful is the weather here. 3 months without flying F3A. Okay, let's see. So, first flight with the Epilogue in Germany. So as you can see the landscape, except for these power lines, it's fantastic. Well, let's see. Oh. I think that I have to trim a little bit. Oof. Let me see you. Oh, finally. The fact that I don't have trees around is fantastic. Tuwalski, check. Okay. Brake, check. Oh my god. It's been a while. Oh, it's incredible to do. I'm used to fly with all these trees around, but here you can do whatever you want. Especially these knife edge passes that I love. Have time to enjoy. Oh my god. Epilogue. Papa would not be happy with these passes. Okay, getting used to it slowly. We did a good job in the first flight. This is actually the 4th flight of the airplane, because we did 3 flights in the maiden day in Sant Cugat. Yesterday I did a complete check. Ooh, a big bird. Whoa! Yesterday I did a check of everything. I checked everything, all the servos, all the screws, everything a little bit. But still, after today I will check again everything that is going good. I mean, I've been 3 months flying a stabilized drone, an autonomous drone, so this is finally having something in my hands that I can control. Too many things I want to try to do, and actually I have to start looking at the P23, because I did it in the simulator but not with a real airplane, so just simple things like a 4-point roll. Oh my god. Then you have plenty of space just to turn around. Ooh. I forgot how good is this airplane. Okay, full brake there. It's a beautiful place, and I think that a very nice place to practice F3A. And it's just 15 minutes from home, so it will not be like Sant Cugat that was at 5 minutes, but 15 is something I think I can handle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, it's always the same, but oh my god, this airfield is fantastic, man, to do these things. Nothing better than an F3A session early in the morning. And of course, I forgot to put the timer. I was a little bit nervous, but now starting to feel again the epilogue. Oh my god, just a relaxed pass with the brake.